Come on, darling. As you can appreciate. Do I want an egg? No, darling, I don't want an egg. You can't want an egg. You had an egg today already. She looks mad like that. Yeah, sprayed with water. She'll be all right. Just dry her out a bit. Obviously, because of the winter as well. So I've been putting my heating on. It sort of messes up with our body clock a little bit, like, you know. Messes up with her body clock, and then she starts stripping feathers. So, hello there, Jace. Have you had any other birds? No, this is my first one. No. Do you want an egg? Do you want a drink, Shelby? That's another thing. She says, "Do you want a drink?" Especially when we're in the kitchen. And also, when I turn the water on, she makes the sound effects noise of the water.